In this lesson, we are going to solve word problems that involve perimeters, or the perimeter of a shape, using an equation. So this first problem reads, a triangle has sides that measure x plus 2, 4x, and x minus 5 centimeters long. The perimeter of the triangle is 120 centimeters. What is the value of x? What is the measure of each side? Well, we know that we can label this one side 1, this is side 2, and this is side 3. We know that we have the sides, and we also have a perimeter. So first thing we should do is let's draw a triangle. We don't know exactly how it's going to look, and this isn't exactly a triangle because there's a curve here, but whatever. You get the point. So let's just put x plus 2 here because we don't know where it goes. 4x here, and x minus 5 here. This is not going to look right, but it'll work. We know that to get the perimeter, we know that perimeter is the distance around an object, and for a lot of these shapes, all you have to do is add up all the side lengths, and we would get the perimeter. So side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 equals the perimeter. Well, side 1 is x plus 2. Side 2 is 4x. And side 3 is x minus 5. Well, we know if we add all these together, we should get our perimeter, which was, or is, 120 centimeters. In this case, none of these parentheses matter because we're just taking this and adding this and adding this. So we just start with x plus 2. Let's drop our parentheses. Plus 4x plus x minus 5. And we get 120 centimeters. We need to figure out what x is. So let's solve. Well, let's solve. But before we do that, let's go ahead and simplify first. So 4x plus x is 6x. And plus 2 and minus 5 is minus 3. Yes, minus 3. And if we add 3 to each side, we will get 6x equals 123. And then we divide each side by 6. And x equals, well, 6 goes into 120 20 times, and then that's half. So 20 and 5 tenths, 20.5. Remember, this is x, though. This is not the side length. So let's start off with side 1. Side 1 was x plus 2. So instead of x, we are going to substitute in 20.5 plus 2, which is 22.5, but let's not forget our units of measurement, centimeters. That equal sign looks a little sketch being up there, but at side 1 equals to 22.5 centimeters. Let's do side 2, which is 4x. So 4 times 20.5. So side 2 measures 82 centimeters. Don't forget the centimeters. And lastly, we have side 3. Side 3 is x minus 5. So we will write 20.5 minus 5, which is 16. Oh, that is incorrect. 15.5 centimeters. 15.5 centimeters. If that's part of that, I'm just going to write it here. Okay. And we have these. So let's go ahead and, well, we have x, we have side 1, side 2, and side 3. Let's go ahead and offer some evidence that this could be right. It's not foolproof, but we do what we can. So if we take 22.5 centimeters and we add 15.5 centimeters, and we add 82 centimeters, hopefully, well, yeah, I will get 120. So this right here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, carry down the decimal, 120 centimeters. So this is your proof. So make sure to do proof or evidence on your work. Now let's answer, well, let's make a statement. So what's the value of x? What is the measure of each side? So x has to be 20.5. Otherwise, this relationship that we're talking about, like this right here, these three sides adding up to 120 wouldn't exist. So let's put x has to be 20.5. Otherwise, the perimeter can't be 20.5. Ooh, can't be 120 because that's the perimeter, right? Can't be 120 centimeters. Now let's look at example 2. So a quadrilateral. So this is 4 sides. I don't, once again, know exactly how this works. Maybe it looks like that. So we have y, 3y, y, 3y, 2y plus 6, and 3y minus 5. Okay, so we know that when we add these together, oops, we should get our perimeter. Our perimeter is 100 centimeters. So let's just go in order. So side 1 can be 3y. Side 2 can be y. Side 3 can be 2y plus 6. And side 4 can be 3y minus 5. We should get the perimeter, which is 100 centimeters. Let's drop these parentheses because they don't make a difference in terms of calculations. Now before we solve, let's go ahead and write or combine like terms. 3y plus y plus 2y plus 3y. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9y. And then we have plus 6 minus 5, which is plus 1 equals 100. Now let's go ahead and solve for y. So we'll take away 1 from both sides, and we get 99, and we divide by 9. And y equals 11. Remember that this isn't 11 centimeters because this isn't a side length. This is just what y is. Well, in this case, it is for side 2, but we'll get to that. So side 1, instead of writing out 3y, I'm just going to write out 3 times 11 because y was 11. So side 1 is 33 centimeters. Side 2 is just y. Y is 11, so side 2 is just 11 centimeters. Side 3 is 2y plus 6, so 2 times 11 plus 6. 2 times 11 is 22, plus 6 is 28 centimeters. That is side 3. I'm just going to use that. Make it like that. Okay. And side 4 is 3y minus 5. So 3 times y, which is 11, minus 5. 3 times 11 is 33. 33 minus 5 is 28 centimeters. Okay, now if we add these four sides together, we should get 100. Let's see about that. 33 centimeters plus 11 centimeters plus 28 centimeters plus 28 centimeters again. Let's add these together. So 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 1 is 17, plus 3 is 20. Let's put centimeters here. And 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10. So 100 centimeters. Lastly, our statement should read x has to be 11. Otherwise, the perimeter won't be 100 centimeters. Basically, oh, and I made a mistake here. This isn't even x, this is y, right? So y has to be 11. Otherwise, the perimeter won't be 100 centimeters. Basically, this y here, 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 and here needs to be 11. Otherwise, when you add them, you won't get 100. But remember, we need 100 because it tells us that that is the perimeter. And that is it. Thank you.